Have you ever come across animal channel pages like this? These pages are pulling millions of views and are getting money daily, like they're making real money. So this channel now was just opened April 2026, and you can see from the analytics it gets up to $13,000 to $203,000 monthly, and it can get up to $694,000 monthly. Here's another channel. You can see our latest post 200 in a day that gotten 250,000 views. This channel was opened May 2025. It's not up to 2 years, and you can see from the analytics the channel gets up to $2,000 monthly and can get up to $2.1 million monthly. So there are two ways you can easily create these videos. One is by going to TikTok, Instagram, and downloading those videos. You import them to your editing app and you play with them and edit them. Or two is by using all this AI. AI made things easy for us. You can use AI. Someone like Sora too can make the videos for you. Those videos now get millions of views because many people online are animal lovers. Our target audience are mostly the USA, and you know, see USA give RPM, and big RPM equals to big money you get. So there are easy way to do this. So let's dive in. Remember, I am Skills, and let's get ready for this. So the first easy way is going to your TikTok, and you can first check the videos. One of these videos, there's a channel I saw. This Rottweiler Chihuahua video got 2.1 million views. You can see the video. It's about Rottweiler and Chihuahua compilation video. So there are two ways to get this video. Once you go on TikTok, I'll be using my browser for example. You can use your phone. So you go on TikTok, then you search Rottweiler Chihuahua, then you can search videos to give you can see similar videos are out. So try and look for videos that has millions of views and has less AI, because I'll still teach you how to generate AI videos. So this video now looks real. You can see how many likes that's gotten. So you're sure that this kind of video will go viral for sure. So you can just copy the link. You go to Google and search this TikTok HD download, no watermark. So I won't talk the site because of security reasons. So you can see this first one or this second one is good to go. So once you enter there, you can just paste it. If you need this, I can just there's a link in the video, a PDF. You can just copy and paste the link there. So you can just download them. Once you download it, you import it to your CapCut. You must know how to edit CapCut, DaVinci, Premiere Pro. Once you know how to edit, it will be easy for you. So once you import them there, you can play with it. But this video now, I want to teach you how to make those videos with AI, because you might just try thinking of those videos and it might not work out for you. Then you can use AI. So me, I'll be basically using ChatGPT and Sora too. Okay, here are 3 things you should know before we start editing or before we go to our ChatGPT. One, you must know the animals that are involved, the specific name of animal that is involved. Like me, I'm using Rottweiler and Chihuahua. It can be cat and golden and another name of another dog. It can be cat and German Shepherd, or cat, kitten and German Shepherd. Number 2, they must spark emotion. Emotion like it must make you sad, happy, want to watch more, be shocked. Those emotions is what trigger people to comment and love your video. And number 3, it must follow YouTube guidelines. YouTube now don't like rescue videos, like animals going to rescue, like you going to rescue animal POV shot. POV means like my eye view. So they know those videos gather enough, like those videos they gather views, but they are not retaining audience. So YouTube notices it and they still say they don't like those videos. Even if you can create those rescue videos, can be like 1 out of 10. So those rescue videos will give you they'll give you the views for your remaining 10 videos, but you can't be doing rescue videos every time. It's against YouTube policies. So now we know YouTube policies. Now let's head on over to our ChatGPT. So those that don't have ChatGPT, there's another site. I'll show you the site now. A new site you can go to. This site, Arena, that's ChatGPT inside. So you just go to direct, then you come here, you see ChatGPT, and it's free. But me, I have ChatGPT, so let me go to my ChatGPT. So now you have to go and look at the video. You must always follow popular videos. It must be a popular video. Why? Because popular videos are proven to be to catch people audience, and once it's popular in the channel, it has more probability of becoming popular in your own channel, because you want to go viral fast and make money. That is why we're here. So now this is, you can see this video, Rottweiler Chihuahua. So let's watch it. You can see the Rottweiler and the same video. Can see it's a compilation video of Rottweiler and Chihuahua. So now I've seen it, we can see that you must just be specific with your animal. You can't be doing different animals in the video. People won't like it. You have to do the same animal, so people will think it's the same animal they're watching in the video. And your video should not be up to 1 minute. You have to make it short for higher retention. Now yes, 40 seconds is good to go. So now let's head over to our ChatGPT, and we'll tell our ChatGPT, give me 5 ideas about. Well, let me copy the title. Sorry, let me copy the title so I'll be fast. About Rottweiler. Why is my ChatGPT doing like this? Yeah, just I'll fast forward this part. Rottweiler versus Chihuahua, which, so let's say the Rottweiler wins in the first. The Rottweiler in first 3. Let's say first 4, because I'm trying to spark idea. I want the Rottweiler to be winning the Chihuahua first 4, and the last, the Chihuahua wins. So if you notice, most of the videos, they are POV. What is POV? Point of view, from my eye view. Like I'm the one holding the camera. So you have to tell the ChatGPT now, it must be a POV shot, handheld. Give me text to image prompt for each ideas. Text to image is like you're converting a text to image. It works better because Sora don't have more where you can put more images, just a few images. So it's best to just convert from text to image. So now the last idea, the last thing is each idea should be 8 or 12 seconds maximum. So once you're done, you just click enter, and ChatGPT does its works. Very, 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 very good. So sorry, I omitted one thing. So let's go again. The same idea. Sorry, I omitted one thing. So I just copied the same idea. So add negative prompts. What are negative prompts? The negative prompts are all those things that you see. Maybe the dog is walking, his hand disappear, or the dog will multiply into 2 or 3. Those are negative prompts. So you have to add it so it won't make mistake. So now this is, you're good to go. So you can see the first idea. Then this is good, but now I want to break it down further. I'll tell you to divide it into shorts, like the short of each action that are happening. That would be more specific. So let me edit it again. Each. Now this will be more better. I'll drop the prompt in the description so you can get it. So you can see that it has given us more advanced. The viewer works to a golden tool. You can see it's a green stake is placed on it. You can see it's almost the same idea. This says gold. Yeah, and that last thing again, I want to simplify it further. So the last prompt, I'll drop it down in the description so you don't need to be afraid. So I suppose tell the thing I should add accent. What is an accent? An accent is like my voice now is an African accent. So we're targeting USA audience. So we have to tell it to add a USA or a British accent. So once they're watching it, they'll feel like it's them that is watching it, it's them that is making the video. So it has more hope of going viral than them listening to African accent. So add an American accent. It can be male or female. For this video, I want it to be female. But your own, you can change it to male. But I want it to be female throughout. So just ChatGPT will do all the work for you. You can see idea 1, steak challenge. Idea 2, tennis ball race. Idea 3, tug of war. Idea 4, soccer challenge. So this is very easy. So once we get all this, then we go to sites that support, any site that support video to text to video. But me, I mostly use Sora sites. I don't have Sora 2, but I have a site that supports Sora 2. So those that don't have Sora 2, you can use this arena. It has a video. So you go back to Battlefield, then go to video, generate videos. Can give you like 2 or 3 videos, but I don't really advise those. I usually use other sites because all these free sites, they come with glitches. For people that don't have, let's use the free sites first. So let's first read it. Authorize, no cut, yeah. 9:16, yeah, you need 9:6 because it's for phone. The person is viewing it, cheerful woman, yeah. Natural accent, yeah. Alright guys, ready, go. Then the bulldog sprint from towards the table. Realistic, the Rottweiler reaches, take the steak first, yeah. So this is okay. So we'll just copy it, then we'll paste it. So make sure it's 2,500 words. If it's below, you can still tell it to reduce it, but now it's 2500 words, it's good to go. So you just click generate video. I can see it's a free. Okay, it wants to verify security. So it has started generating video, but me, I'll go to my editing site, to my own site that I have our page already. So I'll just go to video, go to video, go to Sora 2. Once you go to Sora 2, you just paste the prompt, very easy. Then check how many seconds the prompt is. This prompt is 8 seconds. So I'll just 8 seconds, 9 by 16. Alright, take my coins, but you see, my coins are going for you guys. I love you guys. So if you reach to this part, comment I am great. You are great, I am great. So it's already generating. This site, you can't generate much at the time because it's free. That's why I don't like free sites. But let's go to another idea. Tug of war. Yeah, I like tug of war. Okay, let's go to soccer challenge. A soccer ball rests in the grass. First to win. The woman gently kicks the ball. Yeah, it starts to be handheld back. Okay, let's just try it. Sometimes AI make mistakes, so you have to make sure, even if it makes mistake, you have to still keep trying till you get what you want. So we're generating this. I'll just reload it. Sorry, my site is always on time. I don't know why. So I'll just paste the prompt back. So to keep loading, see other ones I generated earlier. These are what I generated earlier. You can see it looks so real. That's why I used Sora 2. Sora 2 looks so real. So I'll just do that for the remaining ideas. Tiny thumbnail. So let's go. So I'll just paste it. I don't 9 by 2. Sorry, I forgot to check the time. Wow, this is 12 seconds. So I have to do 12 seconds. So I avoid wasting my coins. So now that they are generating, I have to pause this video and come back once it's generated. So the videos are generated, but I want to point out one or two things. I added more ideas because you have to be watching, like, to understand this, you have to like watch more videos, understand the one that's going viral. Me, I've watched enough Chihuahua and Rottweiler videos, so I added like Chihuahua in the bathtub, the Rottweiler pushed the Chihuahua inside the bathtub. I added more ideas. Then another one I added at the back seat. The say Chihuahua, they have small voice, so once they back, the Rottweiler will back harder. Like, this is just me because I've watched more videos, so I could create it. Then I have to add this remaining prompt. I'll still leave it in the description. So once I did, this is the first free generation. No, see the first free one.
All right, guys, ready? Go.
Okay, they generated another one.
Ready?
Why did this? You see why I don't like free generation videos? The animal disappeared. Like, why did this animal disappear? See, like, it was here, it disappeared. Like, so let's see the one that Sora 2 gave us. So this is the one I first generated.
All right, guys, ready? Go.
See, it was cut and join. But as an expert, I'll use the voice in the beginning and I'll use this video in the end. So this was a good. This is another one.
Score wins.
This is shit. Sometimes the video might not work out well. You have to regenerate it or change the prompt. This is another one.
Let's see who wins this one. Go. Oh my gosh.
I'll start from here. This is okay. This is okay. This was the one that added new.
That's all it's.
It's looking so real. So this is another one.
You're feeling brave today, huh? Well, that didn't go as planned.
You can see everything is just like, it's so funny. So I'll just have to like download them. I'll download them. So if you don't have money for like to do this, you can always go to TikTok, Instagram, look for those videos, download them, and add them to your editing app. Like now, I'll have to go to my CapCut back in my CapCut. I'll import all of them and edit some two things. I'll tweak it. You have to be an expert in editing for this. You can learn CapCut. It's very free. It's online. You can learn it for free. So this is everything. So I'll just import basically everything. So it's something like this. But no, I would like to start with eating. People always like to watch food videos first. So let me just play around. Then I'll show you the final step. Okay, I'm done editing the video. So let me play it so you guys watch.
Go. What are you planning up there? Oh my.
If you notice, there's an error. I did it on purpose. The what we call negative comments. Those comments will say AI, some other comments. Those will boost the video. That's why I left this video like this.
Just look at your face. You're feeling brave today, huh? Well, that didn't go as planned.
Somebody's talking big today. That's all it took.
Let's see who wins this one. Oh my gosh, the Chihuahua wins!
So another thing, always try to put subscribe button so that people can subscribe to the video. You don't want them just not subscribing, they will just watch and leave. You have to subscribe so they can come back and watch more and you earn more. So I think this video is good, very good. It's not by force to put like music. I just kept this music. If you notice, I play this music like it's not really composable, but I just thought I'm an expert, so I just thought it was good. So now let's export. Please, if you're exporting, export in 4K. Don't export in 180, export in 4K. Me, I export in, this is like, I prefer 60. Some people put 30, but I prefer 60 for here. So export. So another thing, once you want to post time when USA is awake. Don't post time for Africans, post for USA so you get good RPM. RPM is the money per, how much you pay per 1,000 views. Post when USA is around. Let's say in UK or USA time. Let's say in UK or Nigerian time, you can post around 5 p.m, 7 p.m, 8 p.m maximum. 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 p.m maximum. So now these our videos are good to go. So one more thing I want to teach you guys is how to warm up your account. You have to warm up your account so that the algorithm will know that, okay, this guy does dog video. How do you warm up your account? So let me go back to our video. So these are the channel. This is one of the channel. No, I don't like the channel. Okay, this channel. So you just come and like the videos, like and comment. Cool.
Dude.
Just comment like woman. So I can just like, you can like 2 or 3 videos. You can like 2 or 3 of their videos. See this. You can be getting more ideas. Don't say this is dog and owners. You can be getting more ideas from there. Once you come to my FYP now, you can see more of dog and cats because I'm engaging in it. By this, you warm up your account. So once you post, they'll be taking, they'll know your audience is dog, animals. You understand what I'm saying? So it's not hard. So if you watch to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am great. So I can see you on the next one. People are making money, they're printing money. This is like, they are gatekeeping this, but I'm sharing to you guys. Next time, I'll teach you how to copy skit videos for free. You don't need to, whatever I say, stop doing skit. You can collect their videos for free and be earning money. See you on the next one. I am Skills.